Open that? Here.
Oh.
Should we get a knife? Let's open that package right up. You come sit. So, there we go. Oh, come scoot over. Sit there. Yeah? Alright. I'll open this side. Now. Can you open that?
Oh, yeah.
Open that side. You cut open that little bit. Hold on, baby. Mind your fingers. Watch your fingers. Hold on. Now. Wow, what is that? Isn't that pretty? Oh my. Wow. You like that? Pretty dress. Oh yeah. What's this one? Yeah. Oh look. Claire. Oh, look at that dress. There's stickers. Stickers. Yeah. Oh look. What's that? Book? Book?
Wow!
Listen real quick. I don't know how you start. Oh.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. When the sun has gone to bed, the stars light up the sky instead, shining all their starlight down, watching over all the little town.
Ready?
Near the water, wide and deep, little silk pups half asleep. Start to close their weary eyes.
We'll listen to that in a bit. Oh, look at this dress. Oh, how pretty is that? Yeah. That is so cool. Hey, and some stickers. Some little animals. Oh, they're to decorate eggs. Oh, what else is in there? Look. What's that? Is that a baby? Oh, is that your baby? Yeah? Huh? Is he, you give him a bite to eat? Yeah. Yeah. No, he doesn't eat that, does he? Now, some little pants. Those are cute. They go underneath something? They go underneath the dress? Oh my, look at this dress. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. So pretty. Yeah. You happy with your baby too? Yeah, we're happy with this baby. Is that baby? Baby. My little baby. Oh. Oh, let me see him. Oh, hi little baby. He's so sweet. Did you give him a kiss? Oh. Did you give him a kiss? Yeah. Mwah.
Boo. 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 Scissor. Oh.
Does that baby have piggies? Where's his piggies? Does he have stinky piggies? No, he's got sweet piggies, doesn't he? Yeah.